Okay, in this video we are going to make a vegetarian chili. In front of you we have a small onion dice, we have a medium-sized carrot dice, we have celery, 1 stalk, we have half a leek, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cans of red beans, 3 cups of tomato sauce, a can of corn, a bunch of peppers, bell peppers chopped up, and then some mushrooms. So to season this chili, we have chipotle, cumin seeds, cumin powder, oregano, chili powder, paprika, bay leaves, salt, pepper, fresh thyme. Okay, I'm going to start by putting a little bit of oil into my heated pan first. And add a little bit of cumin seeds. So I'm going to add a little bit of cumin. So I just added a little bit of cumin seeds. I didn't measure anything, I'm just cooking along the way and I'm going to season along the way. With the chili, I'm going to add my hard vegetable first. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my leek. I'm going to add my carrots. My garlic. And then my celery. So I'm sauteing these onions, carrot, celery, and garlic with my cumin seeds. I'm just softening them up. And this process is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. I can turn my heat much lower and then just soften it up. So I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt at the moment. So next I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of chipotle. I'm not going to add too much chipotle because it's spicy. So a little bit of chipotle. I'm going to add chili powder. Because it's a chili. Paprika. Oregano, and then more cumin. I like having both cumin, ground and the seed. There you go. And then next, I'm going to add my mushrooms. And my tomato sauce. Just going to add a little bit of water to swirl the tomato sauce. I'm going to add bay leaves and some thyme. I'm going to stir. I'm going to let this cook. So it's starting to come to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer. We're going to season it again this time with a little bit of salt. Season a little bit of salt. We're going to let it simmer. So I'm just going to simmer this for 20 minutes and then I'm going to add my other vegetables. Okay, after 20 minutes of simmering, I'm going to add my beans. And I'm going to start adding my corn. And then also my diced peppers, bell peppers. Just going to give that a stir. I'm going to turn the heat up and I'm going to continue to simmer now again for another 20 minutes. After that, I'm going to season it. Once it has been stewed for roughly 40 minutes. I'm going to use my fork and take out the thyme as well as the bay leaf. Our hand works as well. Should be one more in there somewhere. Let's find it. Just going to add a little bit more oregano. A little bit more chili powder. It needs a little bit of spice, so I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce. You can also add a little bit of sweetness by adding a little bit of ketchup.